Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Janae from Round the Way, and Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, um, Happy Valentine's Day. Yeah, I know it's been a while, but life has been life, and we adding another life. So I am currently 18 weeks pregnant. It's a little girl, and I just had to take a break, y'all, because pregnancy is not good to me, honey. I be so tired. I just be sick all the time, and I just don't have the energy to do anything. So where I've been lacking, my family been picking up. They've been helping me clean up and stuff, and I just really haven't had the energy to make any videos. So I had to put together something really quick for you. Well, not really quick, but I had to put something together for y'all. Um, Here go a few clips that I like. One day I was feeling good and I cleaned up, and then it's part of me taking down some Christmas decorations and a whole bunch of other stuff. So let's get into this video. So I decided that since I'm pregnant, I'm gonna try to like tone down my chemicals and stuff. And I'm using the Mrs. Myers, and this snow they sent, y'all, it smells so good. Like if it came in body wash, I would bathe in it. Like that's how good it smelled to me. But yeah, just want to let y'all know that. Y'all, I've been such a terrible plant mom. Like, all my babies, all my plants, they just going through some things right now. I'm just going to take a whole day and I'm going to get everybody right, make sure everybody's watered, properly fertilized, and all of that good stuff. Because, y'all, it has been a roller coaster. Like, I went through this one phase where my whole house just stank to me. Like, I hate the way it smelled. And I'm pretty sure it's because my nose so sensitive. But the little kitten that we had, itty bitty, she was like spraying, well, not spraying, but I guess spraying, but just marking her little territory all over the house. And it's like nobody else in the house could smell it but me, but it was driving me crazy, y'all. It was just this tangy smell, and I just, oh goodness. And for the life of me, it's like nothing I did just helped. Like, it was so bad to the point where I just had to come in my room and just close the door. So in the end of this video, you'll see I had a friend come over to help me. She helped me take down some Christmas decorations, and we also just moved everything out of my living room, and I just shampooed the carpet just because I felt like that's where the smell was coming from, and I was right. But y'all, I feel so bad. But itty bitty, she's fine. I was going to get her fixed and stuff, but one of the teachers at my kid's school, she called and asked if she could have her because she kept following the kids to school, and she followed them one day on a really cold day. I don't even know why she was outside, to be honest with you. But she asked if she could take her home. And I was like, yes, like, because it just took so much of a burden off of me. And I felt so guilty about getting a pet and just giving it away. But I know that with this teacher, she'll be safe. She's going to get her fixed. She's going to do everything that she needs to do. Right now, I didn't have the resources to get everything done. So that's what's up with itty bitty. And also, the teacher gives us updates. So my kids, they're still able to see her. And I don't know, she may bring her to the school one day so they can, like really get the love on her and stuff. I don't know. Hopefully that'll work. So y'all, anytime the camera is loaded down like this, you're gonna see Black because anytime he see the camera, like he gotta be seen. Cause my boy is a superstar. Okay, he was born to be on a big screen. So when y'all see my sweet boy, y'all put a cat emoji in the comments. Yeah, so I made my water, and y'all didn't get to see me mop, but I just added a little bit of bleach, some lemon fabuloso, and I boiled some water, and I got to it. That's it. It was just that simple. All right, y'all. So this is kind of the end. Got a little deer meat in the sink, baby. I made deer burgers. I had been craving it, and when I tell you them deer burgers and homemade fries, yes. And the two littles, thank you. Give me that. And yeah, the kitchen ain't as clean as I would like, but this is one of my homegirls, Alicia. She came through to help me take down Christmas decorations, like I said, and I just had to go through my whole living room with the shampooer because, ew, Itty bitty kitty almost took me up out of here. Oh, and one last thing. I did not forget about the giveaway. I still got that going on. I just had life going on as well. And y'all, I just thank y'all so much for sticking with me. If you watch this video all the way through, put a heart in the comments. Let me know you're rocking with me. And bye.